Can you blow a kiss? Can you toot? That's gross. How about some animal sounds? Can you do a red wolf? How about an owl? The pretty songbirds? How about a rooster? Can you do a horse? Good. How about a pig that needs to go on a diet? Can you fall down? Did that hurt? Cry like a baby? Can you fly on the spaceship? And shoot the lasers? Gonna make everyone scream. Can you sing in the shower? Do happy birthday? The most annoying sound in the world. Can you work out? What are you doing? What are you doing? Whisper. Scary ghost. Einstein, can you help me call the dogs? You do a scary ghost. What do you say it's time to go?